Yo, what is going on, guys? This is S Production Game, and this is part 21 of Let's Make a Game in Unity. Alright, today we're going to cover a lot of things in our game, and what you see here today, right now, is just to practice stuff that I got done, and yeah, pretty much what you see in this is pretty much going to be in the game. Oh yeah, yep. So without further ado, let's get on with the show, huh? Let's do it. Okay, on the character motor script, this is in JavaScript, we're going to go all the way down to the collision part. That should be in 500s, and let's see, there we go. Alright, on control collider here. Okay, we're not using that right now, but we're going to be near it just to keep the collision stuff close. Now what we're going to do is create a function. Oh, not capitalize. Function on trigger enter. Let's say other collider. Oh, excuse me. And okay, so we got that thing started, and the next thing we're gonna do, let's make sure we have the right name. Now we're gonna create a tag as a collectible. So one more. Yeah, we're gonna go. So we got //2, and let's collector. And we're gonna go to collectible and add that tag in there. Alright, and let's go back to here, and what we're gonna do is if other dot game object dot tag is the game object's tag is equal to collectible, and let's close that and create another back bracket, and what you're gonna do is instantiate. Now we don't know which particle we're gonna. Let's go to prefabs. Let's do hit particle 1. Just hit particle. Hit particle. Transform dot position. Let's do the quaternion dot identity. Alright. And at the same time, destroy other dot game object. Okay. Is that cool? File, save. Oh, error. Okay, this. Oh yeah. Just remembered, we did hit particle, but we got actually put it in here. Public hit particle game object. So if we go here and let's go to player, this could be a better way of doing this, but this is what we're gonna do for now. So we're gonna actually assign prefabs. Particle 1. Is that fine? Okay, all good. Now let's go to our collectible and see what happened. Oh, nothing. Now for the collectibles, what we're gonna do real quick is if you open up Blender, it's a real quick process. You know, if you haven't already done this, delete that and let's go to create. And you know, something simple for me, icosphere. Kind of like how that looked, and pretty much you can just do that and you know export it FBX format. If you forget already, go to Autodesk FBX and name it and place it where you want to place it. I already have it done, so I don't need to do that. So okay, I don't need that. And so after you have it placed, let me shrink this a bit and let me go to I go to Blender stuff, Blender models. That's my stuff, and we need to find collectible.fbx and make sure you have the prefab folder open in Unity, and you're gonna click on collectible, drag it there. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure the size is right. So we find collectible, and you know what? Let's click the model. Well, let's see how I'm trying to drag it in there. You can't even see it. Okay. Set the scale to 3 and enter. Apply. And as you can see, I see a small, tiny little dot, which shows how small the actual thing is, which is not good. So let's go back to collectible, and we're gonna put 10. Let's see, and apply that. Wow, this thing is really small. I would recommend make sure while you're in Blender, if you still have chance, not to make it so small like I did. I forget, I don't know what happened, but let's apply 20. It's still pretty darn small. Wow. 40, apply, and I think that's acceptable. Not actually. I want it bigger, and it's driving me crazy. I actually have to scale it at such a size. Let me see. Is that all right? Okay, this will be fine. Now, did mine come with any animations? Oh, it did. So, oh, we got animations. So we're gonna add animation to it. Make sure you go to the rig and no, do we have set legacy? No, we don't. We're not using rig. Never mind. I'm not sure. Okay, let's get this thing out the way first. So we're gonna go. We already got collectibles set here, and it's from the prefab. It's fine. The main issue, look, camera and lamps. That's one thing we gotta remember. I've been doing this many times. You can see on the tree model, the grass model. When you're in Blender, it doesn't make no sense to have these things included. That's just a foolish mistake on my part. So I can apply that, right? Can I? Won't let me. Okay, I'll delete that. Let's go to prefab collectible. I really don't know what I just did. Oh my goodness. Okay. You are in. Okay, that's not working. Let me see this. Well, yeah. So let's go to that renderer. We are going to go to element. We're gonna use the blue materials. Okay, so on the blue, whoa. Okay, blue. Bring that up. How's that look? Let's put that in the game. Okay. Not bad at all, right? Okay, so next thing we need to do, we need to do is when the player collide, and we'll set a trigger, right? So first thing, rigid body, kinematic, and then let's open player script. Standard assets, sources, scripts, character motor. Alright. And okay, what we're gonna do right now is open up our enemy data script, excuse me. And what you will see here is on the trigger entered the collision, we have only instantiate particle, hit particle. We're going to change that. Well, we need to add to get hit. So let's just say get hit, and in the parentheses, in the parameters, we have player damage, and we will mess with that more in the future. But right now, let's just say take away 5 hits. Let's add semicolon, and we save that, and that should get it done. Let's not maximize the screen. Let's show it off real quick. Let's go straight to the enemy. Now we need to make sure we have enemy thing open here. Let's go to our enemy data once you can see that. Okay, there it is. Health 15. And let's see what happens. We hit him. 2, 3. Oh, he's dead. Alright. Success, right? Wrong particles. So let's go fix the particles. Go to enemy. And back to enemy data again, and I believe we have hit particle, so it should be particle 2 right here, and hit marker is not being done yet. Let's test it out real quick. Let's test it. Okay, now it's gonna look all bloody. Might change the color. Look at that. Bam, bam. Dead already. Now, one problem we have is the hits are not consistent. 5, 10, 15. Well, it is, but it won't always be, because once that takes place, like I'm only clicking on it one time, and if I do like multiple clicks, bam, it's looked like one hit got the job done, but it's based on clicks. So that is the problem, and we can figure that out, but we'll do that later. But one thing also, let's take a look at the hierarchy tab here. When the enemy attacks, when the particles are created, some of the clone's not going away, and you see it's hit particle 2. So we can go investigate the matcher. So let's go to hit particle 2, and you can see it doesn't have the destroy script, so let's add that in there. So go to script and let's find destroy, apply it in there, and how long? It's matched particle 2. It should have it already. Does it? It doesn't. That is crazy. Alright, let's say 5. Let's put 5. Enter. It should be the same thing on this one too. Script. There you go. 5. You know, I'm actually thinking, why in the world do I have yellow hit particle and then red in the first place? And the reason for that is a different reason. It's because of collectible. We need to create a collectible, and I'll show you that soon. Okay, we had a problem with collision detection, and the main problem is we don't need rigid body. I thought I did, but we don't need rigid body. What we need is, let's go to physics, and since it's a sphere, we can do a sphere collider, and we want to kind of fix that a bit. So I'll do that and raise it up. Perfect. Yeah. Awesome. Oh, no. It's not perfect yet. We need to change the Z. Okay. That should be fine. Now, and make sure you set is trigger, because that's what it is. Alright. So it's not going to be necessarily like, you know, actual like what would you say, a solid object. Just once you touch it, boom, nice, right? And let's kick his butt. All right, now I totally changed my mind on this stuff. We're gonna do this hit particle 2. We're gonna change that to yellow. Okay, I want to add a little brighter, like a, okay, cool. And this one, we can go change that to this, and you see, right? Let's see, does that apply? Bam, 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 bam. Good. Bam. Nice. So that is all we got today. Let's do it over again on the full screen. Alright, so we got the combat. Player still not able to get hurt yet, but we'll be doing that next time. There's a lot to do there. And we didn't really fix this issue with the enemy. We say that for next time. So, but we got enemy can die, and we added a collectible, not yet animated, but boom. And it doesn't do anything, just so we got some, that's all we got for so far for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next part. Bye bye.